warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay. So today I'm gonna tell you about my idol, Christopher Adam Bumstead, also known as Sibam, was a Canadian professional bodybuilder and one of the most popular figure in fitness industry. He competes in classic physique division. He had a great physique with symmetrical and volume made him one of the greatest bodybuilder of all time. Sibam grew up as an athletic kid and played various sports including basketball and football. His interest in weight training began around the age of 14 when he started lifting in high school. His sister's boyfriend, Len Felier, mentored him in bodybuilding. He competed his first bodybuilding competition in 2014 and quickly gained attention for his impressive physique. By 2016, he earned his IFBB Pro card at just 21 years old. He made his Mr. Olympia debut in 2017, finishing as the runner-up. He repeated this in 2018 before finally securing his first classic physique Mr. Olympia titles. Since then, he dominated the division, winning 6 consecutive titles from 2019 to 2024. Sibam didn't win Mr. Olympia overnight. He placed second twice before claiming victory in 2019. His success shows that persistence, dedication, and discipline are the key to achieving greatness. Through his content, he motivates millions, proof that success isn't just about personal achievement but about helping others grow too. Okay, that's all from me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.